If you're already a fan of open-faced helmets but weren't sure if Schuberth cuts it, then we've taken the Schuberth M1 Pro out on a road test to find out. This jet helmet is going to be coming in at the premium end of the open-face motorcycle helmet market. It's made of the same materials as the Schuberth C4 Pro and can even fit a communication system to give you the best experience possible. However, these features do come at a price, since this helmet will be coming in at a recommended retail price of about 440 euros or about $490 US. As such, the Schuberth M1 Pro will be up there competing with the Arai SZ-R VAS and the Shoei J-Cruise 2. Just a quick reminder, if you'd like to learn more about this helmet, to check out our YouTube channel where we have plenty more road tests and reviews. The shell of the Schuberth M1 Pro is made of fiberglass produced through Schuberth's direct fiber processing method to give you a strong helmet. The M1 Pro will be coming in 2 outer shell sizes, which is also not bad, though it is less than Arai and Shoei's 3 and it weighs about 1,401 grams. The visor of the M1 Pro is large and will keep you protected from the wind. It's pinlock prepared and the helmet has an integrated sun visor operated by a slider. Now, let's see how this helmet fares out on the road. For ventilation, the M1 Pro uses only one large scoop at the front of the helmet that you can open and close. Lastly, the liner is removable, washable, and antibacterial, and the helmet comes with pre-installed speaker and microphone and antenna to begin using the SC1M or the SRC M1 comm system. Just a quick reminder for how we set up our road test. On the left is a monitor showing the helmet's internal temperature in degrees Celsius through a thermometer in the helmet CPS channels. To measure noise, we used a decibel meter displaying values in the middle from a microphone placed near our rider's ear. On the right is a telephone showing the airspeed on the helmet through an anemometer on the bike. Lastly, in the middle is our rider's speed and the external temperature is on the dash. When we took the Schuberth M1 Pro out, it was a cool winter day. The airspeed for the day was at about 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. The temperature outside was a cool 9 degrees Celsius, while the helmet's interior temperature was 12 degrees Celsius. Lastly, for the noise, we measured 106 decibels in this helmet, though this isn't surprising as this is a jet helmet and this is the same value as the Shoei J-Cruise 2 and the Arai SZ-R VAS. Our rider was conflicted when giving us feedback about the Schuberth M1 Pro. While this helmet definitely bears similarities to the Schuberth C4 Pro modular helmet in its single large ventilation scoop and the quality liner, our rider did not rate the helmet's comfort as highly as the C4. Our rider was also disappointed in the helmet's ventilation being several degrees hotter than the outside. And though this was appreciated since it was 9 degrees, we'd hoped for a stronger performance. Otherwise, our rider was positive about the helmet and found it nice and stable. Overall, the Schuberth M1 Pro shows a sporadic scoring across the board. For its fiberglass material and 2 shell sizes, this helmet gets 3 stars for material. For weight, this was a light helmet, though it didn't quite manage to crack the 1,400 gram mark, giving it 4 stars for weight. Since the visor only comes pinlock prepared, that's 3 stars for the visor. For ventilation, we also hoped for less than a 3-degree difference, so that's 2 stars. For noise, unsurprisingly, this helmet gets 1 star, but so did the Arai SZ-R VAS and the Shoei J-Cruise 2. Lastly, the M1 Pro did come back since it was a comfortable helmet, giving it 4 stars for comfort. Overall, the M1 Pro gets 3 stars and each star will be costing 26 euros per star, which, though lower than the SZ-R VAS, is much higher than the J-Cruise 2's 23. If you'd like to purchase the Schuberth M1 Pro, don't forget to head to championhelmets.com where we have a lowest price guarantee and great bundle deals including discounted visors or a discounted SC1M comm system. The Schuberth M1 Pro is generally a decent helmet that has done well to punch above its weight for noise isolation and comfort, being on par with both Arai and Shoei. However, the main places that this helmet falls a bit short of its Japanese competitors is in the ventilation and material category, since it only comes in 2 shell sizes. So, while the Arai and Shoei can be seen to be very closely tied, the Schuberth does provide a very close second, and the fact that it comes with an internal sun visor does put its convenience above the SZ-R VAS. In the end, it's easy to see why it's a popular helmet. Now, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and let us know what you think down in the comments below. I'm Sebastian from Champion Helmets, and thanks for watching.